We're going to introduce Sugar's litter here. First we have Max. He's Mr. Inquisitive. And then Noah. He's a sweetheart. And which one do we have next? What? Augie. Hi, Augie. That's Claire if there's no collar on her. That's Miss Claire. Just pile them up. They'll figure it out. Okay. Oh, this little gal doesn't have a name. She is still available. She's all black with just a little bit of white on her chest. And she's not going to get just real big. This, the one with the tail? That's Shadow. Yeah. We always know who Shadow is. Okay. Adrian, and he is still available. He's going to be a beautiful, handsome black and silver. Yeah, hi, Adrian. And who is this last? Oh, this is Husker. Husker gets to go live in Norfolk with Coco, I think is going to be his sister's name. Let me see if I can get backed up here so we can get them all in the shot. Can you put them close together, honey? Turn this little guy around. Alrighty, and that is Sugar's litter. We'll be getting a better picture when we take him to the vet here in about a week or so, and we'll post that on Facebook. So bye-bye for now.